everybody. Barcelona is a sunny, warm, and beautiful city, and I stayed at 3 different properties. So I'm gonna give you a room tour of each of them so you can see how I was living. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me first explain why I chose these 3 hotels to begin with. My hun, parents, sister, and I were traveling to board a 7-night Western Mediterranean cruise to Spain, France, and Italy based out of Barcelona, Spain. You can click the Mediterranean Cruise playlist link in the description to see the cruise and what we did in Barcelona. But before my trip, I asked myself questions like, what is the best part of Barcelona to stay in? What is the best and safest area to stay in Barcelona? Specifically, which neighborhood to stay in was best for first-time visitors, and what are the best hotels in Barcelona, Spain? First things first, I researched different neighborhoods like the Barri Gothic Quarter, Plaza de Catalunya, Eixample, El Raval, Barceloneta, and Montjuic neighborhoods. In the end, I chose the Eixample neighborhood because it is elegant, lively, and has a ton of upscale and spacious hotels. It's clean, beautiful, walkable, easily accessible via the metro system, which y'all know is important to me. And for the icing on the cake, Eixample is centrally located and near famous attractions like La Sagrada Familia, Gaudi's Casa Batlló, Casa Mila, and Passeig de Gràcia, Barcelona's major shopping area with stunning architecture. Eixample had everything I was looking for and was the perfect location for my parents' first time in Europe and our overall first time in Barcelona, Spain. From there, I narrowed my search to find the best hotels in Barcelona within the Eixample neighborhood. I was looking for 4- or 5-star hotels that upheld high standards of cleanliness, along with excellent service, top-notch reviews, great decor, and within walking distance to multiple dining options. Amenities such as breakfast or wine or a great bathroom were an added bonus and a plus. So without further ado, let me give you a room tour of one of the best hotels in Barcelona, which is the first hotel we stayed at, 70 Barcelona. 70 Barcelona is a 4-star luxury boutique hotel located in the heart of Barcelona's Eixample district. This hotel was sold out during our trip, and we were lucky enough to grab one of the last rooms available, about 5 months we booked before our trip. Yeah, crazy. The hotel boasts 80 elegantly designed rooms and suites that offer modern amenities and features a rooftop terrace with a pool and bar, providing panoramic views of the city. Guests can enjoy a variety of dining options at the hotel's restaurant and bar, which serves Mediterranean-inspired cuisine and signature cocktails. The hotel also offers a range of services, including 24-hour room service, a fitness center, and my favorite, a concierge to help guests plan their stay in Barcelona. And y'all, none of this video was sponsored. These are all my own money and my own review. So now let me show you the room we booked at 70 Barcelona, the Sky Room. We are here at the door and babe's right behind me.
Yeah.
So the first thing we have here, once you get in, you are faced with floor to ceiling length mirrors that also act as plenty of storage. I mean, you could put stuff at the top and you could go all the way down here. We've got our backpacks here at the bottom. Once you close these mirrors, turn around, you now have the bathroom. And what I love about this whole hotel is the style. Oh my gosh. What's in the bag?
Some cream.
Demano's hand cream. Oh, I need some of this. I just washed my hands. I will take some, good sir. Thank you.
New toothbrush. I guess they're trying to tell us something. Fancy toothpaste.
Ooh, very nice. What else is in here?
Tissues.
Keep it moving here, folks. So we've got some great marble detailing here on the walls, some marble tile, your standard European kind of toilet, and use if wet towels. When we came in, these bars were heated. I don't know if it was supposed to be heated or not, but it made for some really delightful warm towels. mini fridge, which is beverages, quite nicely. What's behind door number 1? And it's nighttime now, and oh, I use this as luggage storage, so you can do that too, but there are full-length windows in here looking out onto the street. And we've got 2 more doors that lead out just like that.
If you hit the switch, the blinds go all the way down and it really blacks out.
We still slept pretty well, but wow, it's good to know, right?
Yep.
About these switches.
Yeah.
Bye, room, bye. You have been great to us all this time. I would definitely recommend staying here. Amazing. Time to go. Let's check in our room at the Monument Hotel. I hear we got upgraded, huh? Yeah. Let's go. Wow! Once we finished our 7-day Western Mediterranean cruise, we stayed at Monument Hotel, a modern and luxurious 5-star hotel housed in an expertly renovated late 19th century building on Paseo de Gracia, just a few steps away from the city's most famous landmarks such as La Pedrera and Casa Batlló. What makes Monument Hotel one of the best hotels in Barcelona is the incredible white glove service. We're talking from the moment our taxi pulled up to the curb to the moment we walked out the door. The friendly, professional staff took care of every need. It was spectacular. The hotel features 84 spacious and elegantly designed rooms and suites, equipped with high-end amenities and luxury touches such as marble bathrooms, designer toiletries from Jo Malone London and Diptyque Paris, and plush bedding. The hotel also boasts a rooftop terrace with a pool and stunning views of the city, a Michelin-starred restaurant, a bar, a fitness center, and a spa. The hotel's central location, combined with its luxurious amenities and exceptional service, make it an ideal choice for those looking for a memorable stay in Barcelona. Now, let me show you the room we were upgraded to at Monument Hotel, the Junior Suite Patio Room. The hotel gave us these macarons with the logo on the top. They look delightful, and look at this. Stationery. Man, this is such a nice touch. But it actually takes the time to write a letter. Wow, I have had such a great experience at the Monument Hotel. This is not sponsored, y'all, but it has been phenomenal. And for our last night in Barcelona, we stayed at Ocean Drive Barcelona, also known as OD Hotel, where sustainability meets luxury and comfort. The hotel features 98 sleek and contemporary rooms and suites with floor-to-ceiling windows and city views. The hotel also boasts a rooftop terrace with a pool and bar, a fitness center, and a restaurant serving Mediterranean cuisine with vegan and vegetarian dining options. The hotel's central location, combined with its modern amenities and chic design, make it a popular choice for those seeking a trendy and comfortable stay in Barcelona. What makes Ocean Drive one of the best hotels in Barcelona is its commitment to sustainability. And when I say sustainability, this is what I mean. OD is located in the city's low-emission zone, which is walking only. It has eco-friendly toiletries, water-efficient showers and toilets, and at least 80% of the food served at the hotel is locally sourced. There is 80% LED lighting, and they have a comprehensive food waste and recycling policy. But for now, let me show you the room we booked at Ocean Drive, the Superior Room. Q-tip and makeup cleaners, comb, a shaving kit with shaving gel, a sewing kit in case threads get out of place. We have 2 large sink to ceiling mirrors. When we turn around, you'll see the large mirror. And to the right, we have the shower with a rainfall head. Plenty of space. Shampoo, conditioner, and gel. And I just love fun details. So you've got somebody diving in, conditioner is halfway in, and the gel is last. That is hilarious. And I love the frosting on the doors as well as the perfectly clean tile on the wall. And nothing much to see here that you haven't seen before. Of course, underneath the sink, we have our towels, our hand towels and our bath towels, as well as a hair dryer. Oh, and as I'm filming, look what just came in, a handwritten note from the hotel in this really cute, sustainable box. Ooh, let's see what's inside. I love little treats. Ooh. These look like, I don't know, like little cheesecake bites. We gotta try these. Wanna try?
I mean, don't spoil your dinner, but we can try it now.
You said don't spoil your dinner, but you wanna try it right now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, go ahead, grab one.
Feels weird.
What does it feel like?
It might be cheesecake.
Cheesecake? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Ooh, it's kind of soft and spongy. Soft and spongy like. Legit. Does it taste like cheesecake?
Tastes like cheesecake.
This is yummy. Good. I love free treats. I love these cute little additions that make your stay that much sweeter. Haha, get it, babe? Sweeter?
Sweeter?
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. All right, let's go. We have an in-room safe with plenty of storage, as well as, look at this, an entire wine fridge. I have also never seen a wine fridge at a hotel. Underneath is a fully stocked mini fridge. Swiveling right around, we have our king-size bed. Right next to the bed, we have an outlet, and down below, more shelves. I love the storage solutions here. And the very clear message, lights off. Which of these hotels really stood out to you? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you want a few ideas on what to do in Barcelona, watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!